how to find square root of non-perfect square number. I hope that after watching my video you will definitely like this video. So don't wasting time, see the formula. Square root a plus b is equals to square root a plus b upon 2 root a, or square root a minus b is equals to square root a minus b upon 2 root a. See one example. Square root of 198 is non-perfect square. So first split 198 in form of a plus b. 198 is closer to perfect square 196. So split 198 in this way. 196 plus 2. Here 196 consider as a, where 2 is considered as b. So by this formula, square root a plus b, we write square root 196 plus b means 2 upon 2 root square root 196. Here 2 get cancels. Square root of 196 is 14 plus 1, here 1 remainder 1, and square root of 196 is 14. So 14 plus the value of 1 upon 14 is 0.0714. If we divide 1 by 14, then we get 0.0714. Therefore, the square root of 198 is equals to 14.0714. See one more example. Square root of 120. Here square root of 120. Here 120 is non-perfect square. Again we split 120 like 121 minus 1, because 121 is perfect square close to 120. So 121 minus 1. Again consider 121 as a, whereas b 1. So square root a minus b, the formula is square root a minus b upon 2 root a. Therefore square root 121 minus 1 upon 2 square root 121 square root of 121 is 11 minus 1 upon, here again under root 121 the value is 11 into 2, that is 22. Therefore 11 minus, if we divide 1 by 22, then we get 0.045, and doing this subtraction we get 10.955. So the square root of 120 is equals to 10.955. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.